Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. Here's my wife Lane. I'm Doug. Today we're going to make some pork. And we're going to use, I think, ketchup in the sauce.
Our recipe is very easy, quick and easy and delicious. So you should try it. I recommend it.
Okay.
Well, our ingredients are
Onions, garlic,
pork, of course.
pork,
Pardon me.
some tomatoes, peppers, green peppers, bell peppers, and broccoli, it looks like.
No, that would be for you to decide.
No broccoli.
Okay, we will start with chopping the ingredients.
And I'm going to cut up some garlic.
Cut up?
Well, crush it up. How many do we need? Like
About
four of them? Okay.
Yeah. Or cloves. Do you pronounce it cloves or cloves?
Cloves.
Okay.
Or sections.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, okay.
Watch.
These are pretty big ones. Do you think 3 will be enough, or do you want to go with 4?
Yeah, of course.
Alright.
Just slice the pork like this, bite size. What do you call this kind of cut of pork?
I don't know, that's not country ribs, is it? It's just pork.
Boneless
Boneless.
ribs?
Boneless ribs, I guess, yeah. Boy, these cloves of garlic are huge. Yeah. I'll be all day over here cutting them up.
Really?
Yeah.
How's everyone today? Hope you're doing okay.
We're getting some rain down here due to these tropical depression that's coming across the Atlantic Ocean. Rained a little bit earlier today.
Yeah.
Hey, these new cutting boards are going to be loud.
No, don't be too loud.
Alright, I'm going to try to keep it quiet here, but we... Alright, here, let's give this a try now. Oh yeah, they're pretty silent.
Okay,
More ingredients, huh?
marinate your pork, even if it's just for a few minutes, or with garlic powder.
Wow. Garlic powder and garlic in there?
Yeah, garlic is good. A little sprinkle of salt. Not much. You don't want your food to be salty. It will ruin the taste. sprinkle of paprika for kick. And
Black pepper. Have you done the black pepper?
and freshly ground black pepper. My hand is so slippery.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to do. I did that the other day. It was slipping in my hands as I picked up something, and it was.
Roll it out of pepper. People got to buy.
I know. We've got pepper, but you can't get the top off of that pepper grinder
It's not a
to
grinder.
refill it. I think we got it. I think that's fine enough.
That's enough.
All right, now I'm going to put it in something. I'll put it in this here.
Set it aside, and wash your hand.
We need to. What do you want to do with the?
Slice.
Slice it.
Yeah, thin.
All right. You want onion rings?
No, not rings. Half ring.
Half rings.
Half of the ring.
Okay, so I gotta slice it this way. I need to wash my hands because now the onion skins are sticking to my fingers.
We also, pardon me. We also need peppers. Color, different colors. Bell peppers.
Let's see here. Got one more layer to peel off of here. You can tell I don't do this for a living.
You're retired.
Wouldn't go hungry. I did.
Just cut the peppers into strips.
Aha, one more piece to go.
Oh, not the whole onion, just half.
Alright. I had to take the cover off of it. Thin slices?
Yeah. Not rings, I told you.
You said half rings.
Yeah, half rings.
Yeah, so you go like this. Right? Am I right? Then you cut them, the rings in half.
That's too thick.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
messed up.
Sorry.
So which way should I cut them?
Just a little right normal cutting of onions.
Oh. Do a whole half of one?
What? That's too thick.
Alright, so we do it like this. Teach me how to do it here. Thin ones?
The snout, that's too narrow or something. Why don't you do this?
Alright. Same thing?
Yeah.
Just cut it like this? Real thin?
Just follow my instructions.
I'm trying. Like that then, huh? Oh, yeah. Want this whole thing?
That's still too thick.
Oh.
I should have just got from
Yeah, I think you should have. Onions and tomatoes are everything. Garlic's mine.
Cut this, the tomato. We're not gonna put the tomato, we're gonna put something else.
No. No.
That's too
I
thick.
just messed up a perfectly good onion. Maybe we could chop it, huh? In smaller pieces.
That's too thick.
Can it be
Then-
salvaged?
Yeah, we're just gonna cook it.
Alright. I'm gonna put the knife down. What do you want me to try? A tomato?
Yeah,
How do you want it cut?
small pieces.
Cubes? Like chunks? Like
Not chunks. Chunks means big,
cubes then.
tiny.
Alright. Like this?
Just cut in small pieces. It doesn't matter how you shape them.
Alright. Did I ruin it? I better go back up to the store and get another one. Alright, now I'm going to chop these up.
That's for later.
Okay. Dessert? Is that okay?
You cut it that way also.
Yeah.
Needs to be small
This, like
pieces.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this isn't the finished product yet. This is slicing and dicing, right?
But it's still good. This is just for your side. Not including pork. tiny.
I'm concentrating. I want to make sure I get this right. Is that?
Tell me about how is it how it was when you were growing up.
How it was when I was growing up?
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. I had a pretty good childhood.
So Mom always cooked also.
Yep, Mom always cooked. I think we're going to overflow that little
So it's
bowl.
bed.
Yeah, Mom didn't work. She stayed at home. Then once my brother and I got a little older, she got a real estate license and started selling some real estate. She also sold a little Avon.
Did she make money?
So, I guess so. She sold a couple of houses. No. I got one more slice to kind of.
Many hours later.
We are now, pardon me, we are now ready to cook. So put a little oil on the pan, on the pan.
Is that enough?
Over. Yes.
I think so.
Okay, yeah, because the pork will be,
Alright, what's going to go in here?
the pork.
Right now, or are we going to let it warm up? Oh, and the garlic goes in first, right?
No, the pork, because the garlic tend to burn.
Okay. Is it hot? Heating up? Oh,
wait,
yes.
wait for it to be hot enough. Watch out for the other one, please.
Is it on also?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Lower the heat, please,
Sure.
to 4,
4.
so it's not too hot.
What's going to go in this one?
Garlic, onions, and
I'm going to put this right here,
tomatoes.
so watch yourself.
Oh, where's the tongue?
I will get them. The ones with the fingers on it or the ones without the fingers?
Without the thing.
The one that's all thumbs, huh? This one here's all thumbs.
Oh, that's all thumb.
Yeah. Does.
Okay, all thumb. It is.
Hey, yeah, what happened to this one? Yeah, see, this one's got fingers on it. This one's just
we
all
just
thumbs.
need the thumb.
Alright.
Can you look at it in the other thing?
Sure.
Thank you.
Oh, you got two glasses of garlic there.
With the
Small amount and a large amount.
large one, I mean the small amount.
Okay. Want that one turned down a little too?
Yes, and then he, I didn't really like it.
And about 5 1/2, 5.
About 5.
Alright.
It's really just in the side.
Yeah, so
The pan, I mean the pan.
stove top.
What?
Yeah, it doesn't sit level, does it?
I mean, the pan is bulging in the center.
Yeah. This one can go back up again. There we go. Now you want the onions in here also?
Yeah, when the garlic is brown.
Alright. Which onion? Which one will go?
The smaller,
Small amount?
smaller pieces, yeah. Brown the garlic first.
Yeah. It's jumping around. Hear that sizzle? Alright. You guys zoomed in or no?
It's in all the way, actually.
Oh. You need anything to go in there?
No, no.
Oh.
Only later.
Yep.
Ready to put the onion.
Okay. Here goes the onions.
Ready to
Ready to flip. What goes in here next?
tomato.
Tomatoes. And what goes in there next?
This is later. When it is
Okay.
cooked.
That looks good. Smells good. We had smell vision, they could smell it. Smells
What?
good.
Smell vision?
Yeah. Brings the aroma into the house from the TV camera and from the video camera.
You can smell it.
Yeah. Smell-o-vision.
Think of this.
Look, we got a triangle of onions. Which tomatoes am I going to cook? The large amount or the small, or all of them?
All of them.
I don't think they're ready yet, but I'll just bring them over here.
How's your onion? You can put the tomatoes now.
I think they're ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Stir it and put salt in.
Okay.
Stir the tomatoes. And add salt.
Let's move them around a little bit. Add a little salt.
And pepper.
Alright.
Oh, no pepper because that will flavor
Okay.
the rice. You don't want pepper in the rice, right?
No, no. Somehow I just nicked the end of my finger. Not
What did you
not
do?
now. I don't know.
What did you do? Did you
It
pinch,
is sore.
did you pinch someone?
Yeah, I pinched someone.
Use two spoon.
Yeah, I will.
Easier.
Okay. The grab and flip method, huh? It works.
It's a weird way of flipping. Did you talk to, did you have a talk with Gary?
Yeah.
On the phone?
Uh-huh.
What did you talk about?
Well, his son is working on a 1966 Ford Mustang.
Okay.
And he did some engine work on it. And he wanted to know about the valve adjustment.
The what?
The valve adjustment. There really isn't any.
No, it's not cooked yet. Don't try it yet.
There really is no valve adjustment on a 206-cylinder Ford motor. They're hydraulic lifters.
What are they?
A 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder
Mustang?
1966.
Is the owner?
Pardon?
The owner?
Yeah, it belongs to Jake.
He bought it himself?
Yeah.
How old is Jake?
I don't know yet.
Is he the oldest?
He's the old. Making a lot of noise over here. Might disturb the neighbors. I gotta try another piece of that pork. Let's see. That one right there.
Before you finish cooking, it will be all gone.
All gone.
How is it? How's the pork?
It's good. It's hot.
Spicy hot?
No.
Temperature?
Temperature hot, yeah. Does it need to be scrambled?
Yeah. But did you think that they will fit there?
Oh yeah. No shells in there. That did pretty good.
Can you hand me the garlic, please? Thank you.
You're welcome.
At this point, add the garlic. And stir. Let the garlic cook a little before you add in onions and bell peppers.
Okay. Put this over here so it doesn't leave stuff on the burner when you turn it on. It smokes like chimney. Bell peppers, onions.
And I need to mix. Can you hold the camera, please?
Sure, I can do that. Alright, let's see, there's the egg. There's the tomatoes. The pork. Peppers. Onions. Okay. So, maybe should I turn the heat up a little bit when I do the egg in there?
Don't put the egg in.
Okay. Wrong way. Oh, there we go.
Now we're gonna add in a combination of 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. What else did I put here? Oh, I forgot the vinegar. Can you get the vinegar, please?
Sure.
Quick, the.
How about
Just a
soy
tiny bit.
sauce? Did you put soy sauce in it?
Yes, a tablespoon of soy sauce.
Put a little bit of vinegar in there?
Just squirt a little and stir.
How's that? More?
More. Okay, that's enough. Stir it, please. Quick, because
Right there.
the pork is burning. Hold this, I'll stir it.
Alright.
Just the... Okay.
Alright. Put it on the burner. I got
Okay.
it.
Pour the mixture into the pork. And stir.
Now.
Put your eggs.
The eggs in there.
Yeah.
Turn the heat up a little first, though.
Yeah. Can you turn the heat up also? And can you hand me the pepper or toast the peppers?
Yep.
Onion first.
Onion first.
Add in the onions and the peppers. And stir.
One doesn't want to hop in there. Ah, there you go.
Mix them well. Look at what I'm doing.
Yep.
You might turn lower the heat, please. It's burning. Turn off the heat.
Turn it off.
Yes, please.
I gotta put the eggs in here. So. All right, I'm gonna go with the egg into the.
Okay, then have the candy.
Ready?
Pour the egg. Did you put salt?
Yep.
Did you put salt in the tomato?
And the tomatoes, yeah. I put some salt on the tomatoes earlier.
And here's the pork. It's done. Cooked. And take it out of the heat. Stir well and don't lower the heat. Lower the heat of your what you're cooking. The egg.
It's
Why?
egg,
Why
tomato,
you
and
flip weird.
yeah.
That's your unique way.
Yeah.
Signature.
My signature flip, yeah.
I hate this cough. The water's boiling. I need to blanch
Okay.
the broccoli.
All right. I
Stir
think
it and
you can take the camera and go over there and.
no, that's okay. Cook it well. I mean, stir it well. Stir the eggs well. And get the old rice in the refrigerator. Oh, my camera's not pointing. I wasn't looking.
How's that look?
Looks cooked.
Okay.
First of all,
Turn the heat off.
No, don't turn the heat off. Get the old rice from the refrigerators.
You done with these?
Yeah.
Get some rice.
I think there's too much eggs here, but probably not. I mean, just enough.
All right, here's the rice.
Spoon a little. The eggs. Maybe you can put all of it.
Let's start with half.
Just add more. Too much eggs. Too little rice. More rice, please.
I mean,
Many hours later.
You do it. You add a little butter.
Got it?
Yeah. Oh, where's the butter? Margarine or butter, whichever is your choice. Add a little butter, a little more. You just need to blanch the broccoli so it's not soggy. Sprinkle a little salt
Let me get this melted first.
and pepper.
Alrighty, a little pepper, salt, a little pepper.
Stir a little
Stir a
more.
little more.
You didn't put the eggs back.
It's empty.
Or is it?
Yeah, I should have thrown it in the trash, but I didn't.
Okay. I think we're done and you can put this back.
Okay. So the rice is on the plate, and now comes the pork.
In the center. Keep putting in the center. You still need to put the broccoli.
Oh, there.
That's enough?
Yep, that's enough.
And the broccoli. The scope is killing me.
Okie doke.
When it comes to vegetables, you don't have to get on. Hey. Well, just bury a spare, I guess.
Alright, that's good.
So here it is. Pork, rice, and broccoli. Can you see it? Can you make it closer?
Sure. Here it comes. Oh,
Not my face. Okay, you can make it farther away.
it is all the way away.
So we'll end the vlog or the video, and we hope that you like the video, and we hope that you subscribe to our channel.
Click the like button and it.
So see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Yep. Bye bye.
Bye. I hope you like our video. Bye.
Bye bye.